Hello everyone, today we will introduce you to Pansol hoop steel formwork, which are a perfect match with circular column steel formwork to help bridge construction. The inner diameter of Pansol hoop steel formwork is adapted to the diameter of circular column steel formwork pipes, and there are corresponding sizes from 0.4 meters to 4 meters. The width of the clamps is generally 15-30 cm and the thickness is 8-12 m. It can be customized according to the needs of different bridge projects. Pansol hoop steel formwork have outstanding advantages. Made of high-strength steel, with dense and uniform welding points, the strength is 30% higher than that of ordinary clamps. The unique connection design can fit tightly to the circular column steel formwork after the bolts are tightened, evenly dispersing the pressure, ensuring that it can withstand huge loads during bridge construction and ensuring the stability of the structure. The production process is strictly controlled. High-quality steel is carefully selected and the advanced CNC cutting equipment is used to accurately cut the material to ensure the dimensional accuracy. The welding is done by experienced workers and automated equipment to ensure the weld is firm. The quality inspection personnel monitor the whole process, and each process meets high standards to ensure product quality. In terms of application scenarios, Pansol hoop steel formwork work closely with circular column steel formwork and are widely used in bridge pier construction. In the construction of the high-speed railway from Zhengzhou to Jinan in China, the perfect combination of clamps and formwork ensures the stability of the bridge structure. After years of use, the performance is still good. Thank you for watching. Pansol hoop steel formwork have excellent performance and we look forward to your favor.